Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to walk around and show you this 2016 Ram 5500 we have for sale. It's a 6.7 Cummins diesel. It's a two-wheel drive. It's only got 122,000 miles on it. It's a very nice truck. It's got some nice equipment on it. It's got 11-foot service body with a 5,000-pound crane, hydraulic air compressor. It's got several slide-out tool shells, a Miller Blue Star 185 welder. Rust-free truck. Let's walk around and take a look at it. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, vinyl seats and floor. Wireless remote. Got a hydraulic ports here for hydraulic tools, hydraulic outriggers. I'm going to come back and work the crane in a minute after I kick the PTO on. Enclosed bed cover. This does slide forward. It does close like it should. It's got a little damaged spot right there. Another small set of slide out drawers. Power inverter. PTO on here. Run your idle up with a cruise control. Outriggers out. Outriggers down. Compressor, you can turn the compressor on here. down. Oh. Extension out, extension in. This crane is proportion control, so however fast you pull the trigger is how fast the crane's gonna move. Alright, if you're interested in this truck, give me a call or text 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go in there and check out pictures of it. If you're looking out of state and you want to have this truck shipped, I can ship it straight to your door. You're going to be looking around $1.75 a mile. If you decide to go that route, just know that we're a dispatcher, so what we'll do is post it on our dispatch board, and we wait for somebody to call and say, hey, so you got this truck going to California, we want to pick it up and take it for you. I don't have somebody just sitting here at the ready to leave out with it, but normally you'll have the truck in 3 to 7 days. You know, just keep in mind, like I said, if you're in California, if somebody leaves out with it with the day you buy it, it's still going to take 5 to 7 days to get out there, so just keep that in mind. We're coming up on the holidays, so it could be a little longer than that, but average 3 to 7 days. If you decide to come pick it up in person, which you're welcome to do, we are open Monday through Friday, 7 to 4. We're not open on the weekend. If you come, you got to bring a cashier's check, do a wire transfer, or bring cash. We can't take a check on your name or your business name. It has to be a certified bank check. All right, again, it's a 16 Ram 5500, two-wheel drive, 6.7 diesel. It's only got 122,000 miles on it. Really nice setup. Give me a call if you're interested. Low mileage trucks here like this, they don't last long, so don't wait. Thanks for watching.